Now, I'm sure you're probably asking yourself, what is visual culture? Let's start with the word culture. If we were to Google it, we'd find that culture is the arts and other manifestations of human intellectual achievement regarded collectively. What? Let's break it down a little bit. Culture is all of the aspects of your way of living. And it comes from like our minds and our thoughts. So culture determines your language, medical cures, working schedules, clothes, dressing, religion, manners, child rearing methods, jokes, foods, celebrations, folk art. Culture is everything that is around you. In fact, sometimes our culture is so omnipresent, that means always there, that it's hard to step away from it and say what it is. Now, the interesting thing for us is that we live in a very visual culture. As you look at our culture, every one of those things, in a way, is associated with logos. So the things that you look at, the places that you shop, the things that you buy, the food and the restaurants that you eat and that you go to, the brands that you wear, the sports teams that you cheer for, the schools that you go to, your religion, TV shows, and what you think is important. So the goal for us with this visual culture assignment is that you are going to create a self-portrait of your visual culture. So that means in your day, what are the logos that you see that represent your culture? So again, that could be the brands that you like to wear. That could be the TV shows that you watch. That could be the things that you spend your time doing. Maybe it's video games. Maybe it's social media, right? It could be your religion. It could be food. It could be family. It could be where you like to go, what you like to do. All of these things are associated with images. And so what I want to do is I want you to draw a picture, a self-portrait of your visual culture so that I can get to understand you a little bit better.